Hi. My name is Candace and I wanted to take a moment to introduce you to the latest version of our shop software, AutoShop Desktop version 2018. Version 2018 will include many new features and refinements to existing features, all designed to help small repair shops like yours to save time and money. Some of the new features include the new workflow module that will allow you to see and schedule the day's work for your technicians, an updated job scheduler that allows you to create, edit and track repair orders directly from the job scheduler, the revamped estimate, repair order and invoice editor. This will allow you to more easily see and modify the most important areas of your shop's orders. Job packs, which will allow you to combine labor, parts and other items into packages. For more information, please visit our website at smallshopmanagement.com.